Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on code innovation. In this video, we learn how the pop method works in JavaScript. So the pop method in JavaScript is an array method that takes the last element in an array and returns it. It basically removes the elements from the array and returns it. Let's see what we mean in code. Suppose we have an array of names, right? And we call the pop method on the array names.pop. Right now, if we quickly log our names array to the console, let's see what we'd expect. We'd expect to have the last name removed from the array. So let's run our file with node. There we have it. You realize that the last name in the array, which was Kate, is no more there. Also, recall that the pop method returns the element it removed. Therefore, we can store this element in a variable. Let's say const last name equals names.pop. Now, if we console log the last name, we would see Kate. Let's rerun our file with node. Sorry. Kate. Just like that. Alright guys, thank you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.